Welcome to Engineering Clinic. Today we are going to see the installation of Ubuntu in Mac M1, M2, M3 or M4 Apple Silicon. So go to virtualbox.org, download Mac OS Apple Silicon host like indicated in the video, and once it is downloaded, install this in Mac OS. So the installation process is very easy. Just click the on-screen instructions and then click wherever possible. So next you go to Ubuntu for ARM controller. So don't download Ubuntu for x86 or AMD. You have to download Ubuntu for ARM. So go to ubuntu.org and go to the alternative downloads, and you will be getting two different softwares. One is big large memory, another is Ubuntu Live Server ARM. So which is size of 2.3 GB. Download that version. I already downloaded it. You can see here that is the downloaded version. So an ISO file is being downloaded. Now after that, open Virtualbox, create a new machine, give the name of the machine. So I want to give it as Ubuntu ARM. I want to give, yes. So that's ARM controller I want to give Ubuntu ARM. So instead of Pradeep Kumar, I give Ubuntu ARM. So this is my own name. After that, set the username and password for the Ubuntu operating system. Then click next. So once it is click next, you give the display domain name. After the domain name, click next and it goes to the next screen. In the next screen, allocate the RAM and the space. So I have given 40 GB of space and I have given 2 GB RAM. So if you want to increase the memory size, you can increase it. So for me, I just given just 40 GB for the complete storage. After that, click next and that's it, it's done. So now double click over this Ubuntu ARM and then give the system settings in Mac that Virtualbox wanted to come on the top, so give the permission. After that, let the Ubuntu starts. So now since it is a live server, Ubuntu ARM doesn't have any GUI. So you need to install the separate GUI after the installation gets over. So you'll be getting only the terminal prompt. So this installation have taken some time. Since for the shortage of the time, I have just disconnected that particular part. Once the installation is done, the system reboots, and after reboots, you will get a prompt. So this prompt you have to give the input, username and password. So now my username I have given Pradeep Kumar and password I have just given. So once it is there, so I just logged into my machine. So here there is no GUI. So to start with, first I need to give the sudo apt update command. So that command I need to give. Then after that I install one software called as ubuntu-desktop. Sudo apt install ubuntu-desktop. I'll give the commands in the description. You can copy paste those commands. After the Ubuntu desktop is done, simply type startx. That is X server startx. The GUI will be popping out. And select the keyboard style and the language what you want to display. After that, you will get a screen like this. In that, you give the password. So once the password is input, so you will get on the on screen like this. So the Ubuntu is ready now.